Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm here to show you this fabulous pink with some brown and black undertones. This pink came out so gorgeous. It goes by the name of Manila and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
Alright guys, before we jump into things, I want to give a special shout out to Dossier for sponsoring today's video and sending me two beautiful scents. The first scent they sent me was the Gourmand White Flowers, and it is a dupe for the iconic Richter and Roth's Flower Bomb. It's actually my second time choosing this scent and I love it. The next one is the Ambery Cedarwood, which is a dupe for the Mugler Alien. I'm a sweet scent girly, so this is giving more of a fresh scent, but I do like it. Dossier is available in Walmart and online, and they have so many sales going on right now. So go to dossier.com and check them out. I would like to send a special thank you and a shout out to all my current patrons, and also to let you guys know that this recipe to this video and all of my archive recipes and all of my future recipes will be available on my Patreon. For a small pledge of $5 per month, you get access to all of those recipes as stated before, and also discounts and early access to all my YouTube videos. In this video today, I'll be using my creator bundle, which you can grab from veryveelobeauty.com. And first things first, I'm adding my world famous lipstick base to the bowl, and that white powder that you see is the titanium dioxide. When working with titanium dioxide, be sure to always wear a mask and working with powders in general. So next thing I'm adding to the bowl is the FD&C red number 27 alum lake, and this is the oil soluble batch certified, of course, alum lake, and I'm just folding that in with my rubber spatula and then powering up my hand mixer just to get things incorporated nice and well. The next color I'm adding will be the black oxide, and I use just a little bit of that because you see a little does go a very long way. So I use a little bit of that black just to darken the color up a bit, and then I'm going in with the brown oxide. This is going to give us some more titanium dioxide just to lighten it up and bring forth some earthy undertones to this pink to make it go from such a hot pink to more of a everyday pink. And now I'm going in with some more white and some more brown just to deepen it and lighten it at the same time. This color, you guys, I was building this color to get it to that perfect pink that I was looking for. And lastly, some more brown. And I just kept adding pigment until I was satisfied. But yes, you guys, that is it for the pigments. And there you have it. I'm adding in my Kaolin Clay to make this a moisture matte lipstick. It's going to dry down nicely without having the burning sensation of your lips on your lips from all of the chemicals. So this is more of a velvety moisture matte, and it does have a nice dry down. Now I'm going in with some Isododecane remix, which you can also grab from my website, and that is just going to bring our texture back to cream from that paste consistency from when we added that clay, just like so. And now it's time to bottle up our product. I'm going to be adding this to the back of a syringe, and I'm just going to gently tap that syringe down so that the product can get inside. And once you fill your syringe up, you're going to take a pipette and you're going to flip the pipette backwards, clip off both ends, and add it to your syringe. This syringe is a 10 milliliter syringe, and this bottle is a 5 ml bottle. And I'm just filling it up, and then I'm going to always make sure that you leave a 1-inch space at the top so that you can add in the wand like so, and the stopper without it coming up and rising. So wiggle the wand up and down so that the product can rise, and just like that, we're done. Here is a true picture of how the lipstick looks in darker lighting, because you know the studio lighting just gives all kind of brightness, and it wouldn't let me be great. But yes, here I am applying the lipstick. I tried to turn my ring light off just so that you guys can see how everyday glam that this pink is giving. And yes, the lights are back on and it's still such a beautiful pink. I just wanted you guys to see it in different settings. But yes, it came out gorgeous. Right now on my website I have 25% off throughout the whole entire holiday season, all the way up until January. So you guys make sure to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. As usual, stay blessed. Bye.